Good to go.
Good morning, YouTube. All right, well, today is teardown day. We need to tear down at least enough of the scaffolding that we can build our interior load-bearing walls, and so that's what we've been doing. So let's take a look. So here's one wall. So we will have a load-bearing wall coming right off of the corner here, going right back at us, and so that had to come down. Both of these tubes right here are going to be in the closet, so that's going to be like a bedroom. Oh, come on over here. That's going to be a bedroom. We are babysitting today, but the baby escaped. Yes, it's a dog cage, but it worked well for a playpen. Okay, so those vents are in the closet. So one of the walls of the closet, I can't remember whether it's north or south, is a load-bearing wall. So there'll be a load-bearing wall right here that's over the beam in the basement. So we got to get those in, and then we tried to leave our scaffolding on the end walls so that we could get to the beam pockets and be able to stand on the scaffolding and set all of those I-joists. And they're 2 feet on center, but down here at the end we came over 2 feet from the end, so both of these, it would have been wider than 2 feet, so we just put a double.
Thank you.
Was I in your way?
Yes, I was trying to get these ones down.
Mr. Sassafras?
And you're standing there while we did this.
All right, fine. Apparently I stand in the way of progress.
True, a lot.
Progress. Okay, same here. We kept our scaffolding up so that we could set our beams. So we got a triple LVL and an I-joist that's gonna hit that big pocket right there. And it, man, you guys are gonna get seasick today. I keep spinning around. All right, goes over to here, and that's the other end of the triple LVL. The I-joist is that guy right there on the back wall. And so that should hit, no, that one will hit the triple LVL, that one will hit the triple LVL, that one will go all the way to the wall, I think. I have it all drawn up, and I think that's how it goes. But again, left the scaffolding. We tore down this scaffolding because we have a load-bearing wall right here at the end of the bathroom. That's our master bedroom, master bath, load-bearing wall, and it matches the wall in the basement. So, yeah. That's what we've been doing this weekend. We thought we'd be framing walls, but no, we're just tearing down scaffolding. What does $1,000 of screws look like? Something like that. I don't know if it's $1,000, but oh yeah, there's another bucket full. Whole lot of screws.
But every time that we needed to,
every time that we were building something, though, we had to go back and buy more screws
because somebody didn't buy enough.
I bought as many as screws are expensive.
A lot of wooden screws to build a concrete house.
It does take a lot of wooden screws to build a concrete house. Okay, what else? I guess that's it for today. If we get to framing walls, whoa, that's sunny. If we get to framing walls, we'll show you guys that. But it's just been unscrew, and we've been teetered precariously up on scaffolding that we've been tearing apart, hoping we didn't take one too many screws out before we got off of it. So we didn't want to get OSHA involved, so we just didn't film that part. So, okay, here we go.
Oh wow. Yeah.
I was using a Vantac, so the little screws work. Oh, I didn't pick the right length.
That's better. All right, we'll strap her and see what we got.